Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record phone calls on OnePlus Nord for 5G. There are a few things that you can do in order to start recording your phone calls. However, before we actually proceed, we need to download an app in the Play Store, and that is called the Cube ACR. Of course, there are many different apps that allow you to record calls. However, I'm gonna use this one as an example. If you want to, you can try to use any other. I'm just gonna show you on this example. So once you download the app, we need to press open. Then we need to tap next, then grant permissions. We can select while using the app, allow, 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 and allow. Now we can be offered to disable power customization for the app, so we can press OK in order to do this, and then press allow. Geotagging is not really needed, so we can press no thanks, and then OK, got it. Now you will see the offer to use the premium, but in the top left corner we can press this cross in order to cancel it, and the same thing over here. And then we need to install the helper in order to make the app work properly. So we're gonna press install helper, and there we go. So we will open a page in a browser. So now what we can do is use one of these options. I'm gonna use downloadhelper.apk as an example. I think this one is the most suitable for this device. So we're gonna select it, press download anyway. And once we are done with the download, we can press open. And then we will probably see, so for security reasons, the phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. We can press settings and then allow from this source and then press install. Now let's wait a couple of seconds in order to the helper to be installed. There we go, app installed. We're gonna press open. We want to open the helper. Press next, grant permission, and then one more time allow everything that is over here. There we go. And now we have certain instructions. We need to go to accessibility, find the app connector, and then tap to see the dialog. Alright, so let's go to the accessibility. Let's go to downloaded apps. And as you can see now, the option is disabled, restricted setting. That's fine, we want to do that. You want to even tap on the option in order to see this window. Once you see it, you want to go back. Then we need to go to apps, find the helper, and allow restricted settings. So let's go to apps. Now let's find the helper. There we go, Cube ACR helper. In the top right corner, press these three dots and allow restricted settings. Of course, we need to verify ourselves, so let's enter the password. There we go. Let's go back. And now we need to once again press go to accessibility, downloaded apps, and this time the Cube ACR app connector is it is possible to manage it. So we can press this slider in order to enable it, press allow, and there we go. Now we can press OK and then allow. Alright, the helper is set up, so now we can press open Cube ACR, and there we go. Now we have the Cube ACR, everything is pretty much set up. You can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to find, for instance, some settings. Some of them can actually be managed over here, some of them are hidden behind the paywall, but I think the essentials can be still managed over here. So once we are done, what we can do now is pretty much make a call. So let's try to answer the call. There we go, so I have answered the phone call, and now if you open the notification, you will see that the Cube ACR is actually working, automatic call recording, and the phone call needs to be for approximately 5 seconds in order to make the recording successful. If the call is shorter, sometimes the app cannot save the call. You cannot save record the phone call, but if you spend like above 5 seconds, then there should be no issue with saving that. So once we end the call, we will see in the notifications that the ACR is now turned off. So in order to find the recording, we need to open the app. So let's find Cube ACR, and there we go. Now over here we have our recording. We can press play in order to start listening to it, and that's how we can record phone calls. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!